How to change currency on Instagram. How to change currency on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to change currency in Instagram. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Instagram app. Make sure the app is up to date so that you can enjoy the latest features on it. And then log into your Instagram account. Once you have done that, select the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile feed. Now on this feed, you need to simply select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now on the settings and activity page, you have to scroll to the bottom of the screen and then select orders and payments. Here you need to add the payment methods. Now select the add payment method button and you can choose credit or debit card, PayPal or SoftPay. Once you have done that, you will need to enter all the informations relating to your payments card. And once done, or once you have saved the payment method, you can simply select the currency as well on the other pages and then change the currency as well. So that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.